Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off vibration on Duolingo step by step. So let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your Duolingo app in your phone. And once the app loads, you want to head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping the icon at the lower right corner of the screen, then choose profile. From here, you want to click at the gear icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Then you want to choose preferences. Then you want to look for haptic feedback, which is the second option. This is the setting responsible for vibration in Duolingo. Simply toggle haptic feedback off, and that will disable vibration completely. And while you're here, you can also turn off other optional features like sound effects, animations, motivational messages, or listening exercises if you want a quieter experience. And that's about it. You've successfully turned off vibration on Duolingo. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!